First, let us try to download a file from 3D Warehouse. Then, import the Gelade file into the SketchUp. From SketchUp first, let us try to export the model as an IFC file. Open a new Revit file. After that, import the converted IFC file. Now, let us try to export this 3D file into the Lumion. Let us open a new Lumion file. Then, let us import the converted Gelade file. As you can see, the object has only one material. As we know now, importing IFC file into Revit will not do the trick. So, how can we import an object into Revit and into Lumion with different material properties? To do this, let us go to SketchUp again, and then save the file as SKP file. Back to Revit, and then import the SKP file. The old imported IFC file. Let us try to export this new 3D model into Lumion as a Gelade file. Then go back to Lumion and then import the new Gelade model. Now let us check if the object has different material properties. As you can see, the process is successful. It has different materials. Now, we can choose or change the appearance of the material directly into Lumion or into the Revit. Let us try to change the materials in Revit first. Do this process repeatedly as you completely reassign the materials you want into the object parts. Export the 3D model. Then in Lumion, click the Re-import model button in order to refresh the updated 3D. As you can see, the materials was successfully provided. Now, we can also adjust the material properties here in Lumion. Click the Material tab, and then follow these simple steps. Also change the object scale, please check these steps. Thank you for watching, hope this video has helped you in any way. See you again in my next video, please like and subscribe.